Alright, what we're going to do tonight is get the gas pedal out, the emergency brake out, and the heater box out. And going to maybe try to start working on this, getting the roll bar out. It's going to be fun. A lot of fun. Anyways, let me get set up and we'll get started here in just a second. Alright, these screws here were, they were a pain. I guess rust had got to them and they had locked up in this plastic housing. This is where the fresh air vent's at. Opens up down there and opens up down here. I don't know if you can see it or not. But there was 4 screws, one here, and 2 down there. And I have to say, the old Harbor Freight come through. These are like a screw extractor removers. They've done pretty good. About the second time I've used this little kit. So, just wanted to show you that. We'll get back to getting the rest of the heater box out. Alright, so it's out. Gonna move on to the emergency brake assembly. It's over here. And the gas pedal right there. And that'll get just about everything on the interior firewall off. We got to get this, well, there is the dimmer switch too. For your headlights. A lot of younger people have never seen one of those, but you mash that with your foot and it dims the lights. Pretty cool. Anyways, a little history lesson, I reckon. Get the gas pedal out and the emergency brake out, and move on to the exterior firewall, which there isn't a whole lot left to take off. And probably just leave the battery box right there, and these fender brackets or braces, and these 2 fender braces, probably just leave them alone until I get ready to start cutting some of the sheet metal that we talked about previous videos. Well, let me get on that and I'll show you just a second. Excuse me. This is part of the emergency brake cable. Runs all the way up here into the frame and then goes out right here and goes up, I don't know if you can see it or not, up in the, and connects to the emergency brake. So what I'm going to do Let's take it loose from here. And to get it off. Anyways, I'm gonna stop just a second and take this off right fast, and then I'll come back. All right, emergency brake's out. Not too bad. Get it all put. Get the bolts and the nuts and stuff put back on it so they don't get lost. All right.
Where'd you get it from?
Right there.
Right here?
Yep.
Does it go on there like that?
Watch out, because that sheet metal is sharp.
Where?
Right here on that corner.
Oh. It went on there like that?
Yeah. Some kind of switch, ain't it?
Yes.
What would it be for?
Windshield wipers.
Nope.
Not even relatively close.
Nope.
Something, right? What would you... What does it run to? Does that give it away?
That gives it away, yeah.
You press it with your feet.
Mm-hmm.
Brake release?
Nope.
Hold on.
Hold on, you're taking too much time.
I'm trying to guess. What would you press? Lights.
Ha! What lights?
Fog lights.
No.
High beams.
Yeah.
High beams.
That's your dimmer switch. Alright, he guessed it, finally. After a little bit of encouraging. Alright, so the interior firewall is stripped out. So I can start working on this sheet metal over here in this corner on the driver's side. The passenger side looks in really good shape. I mean, all the way through. Even on the floorboard, which over here I showed you the other night, or other day, I don't remember. Nights, days, whatever. That this here is going to have some work. It's got some rust coming through. But anyways, we'll get it taken care of. It ain't really that bad. That there is not going to be that bad because it's all on a straight pieces, so it's not going to be real bad. So, all right. Like I said yesterday, I don't know if I'll be able to get back much this week because of the hurricane and my job. So, anyways, if so, great. And if not, all right, I'll see y'all maybe Saturday or the first of the week, first of next week. Anyway, so all right, everybody stay safe during this hurricane. And if you're affected by it, if you're not, say a little prayer if you pray, or say have good thoughts for somebody if you don't pray. But anyways, hope all goes right with the hurricane. All right, we'll see y'all later. Hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up or thumbs down, however you feel about the video. Leave a comment and hit the little bell over there in the corner. It's somewhere over here, I think. Anyways, hope y'all have a good night.